This is a Benchy, the benchmark of quality and speed from your 3D printer. Normal Benchies take around 28 minutes, but what if we could print one faster? Is a sub 5-minute Benchy possible? Let's start by printing out a normal speed Benchy. This Benchy took about 28 minutes and has pretty amazing quality, but is there a way to print this boat faster? Let's find out. This is Bamboo Studio while I'm making all the changes for the Benchy. Let's start off by reducing the infill and bringing up the speeds. This print came in at around 26 minutes, but that's still not fast enough. Let's try adding a thicker layer height. This Benchy came in at around 12 minutes. It seemed that there was no way to print a sub 10-minute Benchy, but then I remember that my printer had a ludicrous mode that printed fast. Let's try it. This Benchy came in at around 9 minutes. I guess we can say a sub 10-minute Benchy is possible.